নমস্কাৰ আজি আমাৰ ইয়াত বিহু পাতিছে আৰু আমি সকলোখিনি ইয়াত লগ হৈছোঁ মই চেষ্টা কৰিম আপোনালোকক আমাৰ এই পৰিৱেশটো দেখাবৰ কাৰণে কিন্তু মই আপোনালোকক প্ৰথমতে চিনাকি কৰি দিওঁ আমাৰ মৰমৰ ভাইটি সৌৰদীপ মোৰ অলপমান কনফিউজ লাগে তো সৌৰদীপক মই প্ৰথমতে সোধোঁ ক'ত থাকে আৰু তেওঁ কি কৰি আছে
মই কৰিমগঞ্জৰ I belong from Karimganj and right now I am doing my PhD in Western Michigan University in Kalamazoo in Michigan.
Okay. সৌৰদীপৰ বিষয়ে মোক সুধিছিলে যে সৌৰদীপে PhD কিয়ত কৰি আছে তো সৌৰদীপে তাৰ বিষয়ে ক'ব নেকি এবাৰ
So yeah, I am doing my PhD in isotope hydrology in the Department of Geological and Environmental Sciences in Western Michigan University.
সঁচাকৈ ঘৰলৈ খুব বেছি মনত পৰিছে
This time like I miss my home very much during the whole this view and then here like I'm invited Krishanuda's place. He and his wife like invited me last week and now here it's like such a homely feeling here like I can't believe that I am in US now. It feels like I'm in Assam. It's like a mini Assam here. Everyone like in the homely food, the traditional food, everything is like you know you feel so homely and such a like welcoming attitude everyone has. I'm really like happy to be a part of it.
Really মোৰ এনেকুৱা লাগিছে মই অসমলৈ আহিছোঁ সঁচাকৈ এনেকুৱা ফিল হৈছে ন সঁচাকৈ বহুত বেছি ভাল লাগিলে সৌৰদীপক লগ পাই মই আগলৈও মই সৌৰদীপৰ ভিডিঅ' আপোনালোকক দিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম আৰু ভাইৰেল ভিডিঅ' তো এবাৰ সৌৰদীপক নেক্সট বেংগলী বিহু নাচাম বেংগলী ছঙত নচাম এবাৰ ন ঠিক আছে ধন্যবাদ সৌৰদীপ বহুত ভাল লাগিলে
Thank you so much. Yeah. Happy Bihu. Thank you.
And here's the person who introduced Saurabh to us is Devanshu.
Sure. So I watched his viral video in Facebook, and I'm not a big, Facebook user, but that particular day I was like using Facebook, and I watched his video, and I was an instant fan of like Saurabh. So I thought like we'll be able to add value to our Amit community. He lives in Kalamazoo, which is 1 hour away. So that's why I introduced him to our community and welcome you to Amit, and hope everyone will welcome you the same way.
Coming here. And about the viral video too.
Video it was shot in Tennessee where we went for spring break few weeks back and me with my like American friends and in the video there were like not just the American people, there were Chinese student, Indonesian student, Omani student, everyone was enjoying the Bihu dance. And yeah, so it was like we are like doing some kind of exchange of cultures. So they were teaching me some Western kind of dance, and I was, come on, I will teach you my Bihu. So yeah, so I like right from my childhood, like I have like craze for Bihu. So I like my first like that time like Chol Gauri cassette came. So yeah, at that time like I was watching. Then I came to like listen to Jubinda's song, Papon, awesome singers. So yeah, and also I did Bihu also when I was doing my masters in Kolkata. So that time also in my university program, in departmental program, I did Bihu. That time I was wearing all dhotis and tied up in my head and I danced. I have the video if you want to see, I can show you. Okay, and just so I'm so glad that everyone enjoyed the video. I didn't expect that it will go that viral, but thank you everyone. Right. What do you say? Before he left the stage, again we'll bring him back. But as an introductory at Bihu dance hobo lage. Krishanuda, if you can just faki dhori diok and he will give some steps. Take on.
So that today here they talk about different tribes of Assam. Like the Nagini means from Nagaland, Meghali means from Meghalaya. The undivided 7 states of Assam. That is described in this song. It is a Zubin Garg song, and one of my most favorite songs because it tells the story how diverse we are in Assam and how united we all are in that diversity. Which is the message of all our singers from Assam, from Bhupen Zarga to Zubin Garg. So, and luckily, Saurabh picked the right song, which went viral. So we are trying to recreate that magic which Saurabh did.
मेघाली में जुड़ा बात कोई खान
খানি জুমি চালো মৰমতে কমি গ'লো কেহেন হাতনো বহাগল জুৱা মৰমৰে কেহেন মৰম যায় অসম দেশত কেহেন মৰম যায় অসম দেশত
কালিৰে জলপোনা চৰাই যাক ঘূৰি ঘূৰি পানী হৈ পৰে এনে ভাবো শুনিলেও তোমাৰ কথা
বন্দি তোমারে ঘর পাশুকে পিরিক 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 ও বন্দি তোমারে কলিজা দিপিস 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 সেটিয়া তোমাকে সত্তা পিরিক 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 ও বন্দি তোমারে
আমাৰ মিচিগানৰ বিহু কেনেকুৱা লাগিলে জনাব দেই। চাওক, অসমৰ দৰে আমি ফেমিলিৰ সকলো সদস্যই ঘৰৰ পৰা পিঠা লৈ আহিছে আৰু সঁচা কথা ক'বলৈ গ'লে কিষাণুদা আৰু কিষাণুদা বৌয়ে ইমানেই ধুনীয়াকৈ খানা বনালে, তো মোৰ এনেকুৱা লাগিল যেন মই অসমৰ সেই এৰি অহা ভাত সাজৰ সোৱাদ পাইছোঁ। আহক অনুষ্ঠান সামৰা আগতে পল্লৱদাৰ এটা সুন্দৰ গান উপভোগ কৰোঁ।
তোমাকে তোমাকে
আমাৰ সভা সামৰাৰ আগতে আমাৰ জাতীয় সংগীত গাবলৈ ওলাইছো
পৃথিৱীৰ কতো বিচাৰি জনমটো নোপোৱা কৰিলেও পায় অ মোৰ উপজাঠা অ মোৰ অসমীয়া চাই লওঁ এবাৰ মুখনি তোমাৰ হেঁপাহ মোৰ পৰো